Remember that Teeti wants you to be extra safe. So remember to always have a grown-up there with you to help out. Well, let's begin by learning how to make the perfect hard-boiled egg. First, get out a large pot and place your eggs into the pot. Fill it with cold tap water until the eggs are covered by at least 1 inch of water. Then put the lid on your pot and turn on your stove. And now, wait until the water boils. All right, our eggs are starting to boil. Let's take a look. Come and see. Ooh, that looks perfect. Now what we need to do is turn off the heat and move the eggs onto the cool side of the stove. We're gonna put the lid back on the pot and we're gonna set the timer for 15 minutes. Our eggs are done cooking. I'll turn off the timer, and now it's time to move them from the pot into this ice-cold water bath. Let's take a look. Very nice. Now, using a pair of tongs, I'm going to carefully move each egg one at a time to take a dip in this ice water. This is going to help them cool down nice and quickly. Now we let the eggs sit for 5 minutes. Our eggs are all done cooling, so now it's time to move them out of the ice bath and let them dry here in a container.